up, folks? Realtor Chris Hall. Today I want to welcome you to my newest listing over at 9909 Sedgewick Way. Now this home is located in Sunset Hill, and if you're not familiar with that subdivision, it's a small little community right next to Crawford Farm. Just south of me is going to be Heritage, and just a little bit north is going to be Villages of Woodland Springs. It's located in Fort Worth, and it's smack dab in the middle of the zip code 76244. And if you're not familiar with that, give it a Google, and also it's right down the street from Alliance Town Center. Now, as I do in all my listing videos, I want to start at the front door, walk through the home, point out some of the nice features of this property, and it gives you the opportunity to discover the layout of this home. Now, with the front door at my back, you will see when you first walk in, you've got the stairs right here. Right across the way from that, you're going to have a formal dining space. Now I say formal dining, but I'm seeing more and more people use this area as an office, but traditionally it's a formal dining. Let's make our way through this arch right here, and I want to show you the kitchen and living room. All right, so now that we're in the kitchen, I want to give you a really good idea of the layout of the home. So directly to my left here is going to lead you to the front door. If I go back this direction, you're going to be in the living room. The backyard has a really nice pool. You've got the master bedroom right here. Down that little hallway to the master bedroom is going to lead to a laundry room and a half bath. I absolutely love half baths, especially when you have company over, because then your friends and guests, they don't have to use your bathroom or the kids' bathroom. They got their own little bathroom. But let's go in the master bedroom real quick, check out the master bedroom and the master bath. All right, so now that we're upstairs, immediately to my right, well, that's gonna lead us into bedroom number 2. We've got bedroom number 3, a small little linen closet right here. Then it's gonna feed through this Jack and Jill, and it's gonna pop you out right over here on this 4th bedroom right over here. So let's take a look at all 3 of these bedrooms, and then I wanna meet you in the backyard. We're gonna wrap this video up. All right, folks, so here we are in the backyard now. I just want to give you an opportunity to check out this pool. Also, make sure you check out the description. In the descriptions, there's going to be more photos, there's going to be more videos if you click on the right links. But once you click on those links, it'll bring you to a personal website for this particular listing. And as I said before, you're going to see more photos, more videos, more information. There's also going to be times and dates for the open house in the description. I want you to know though that this listing will only be on the market Friday and Saturday. So if you're interested in it, make sure you come out. The open house is going to be Saturday from 1 to 3. So I look forward to seeing you there. Hope you have a great day. And that's the end of the video.